Think creating a list in Python is as simple as using square brackets? Actually, there are 8 different ways to create a list, and professional Python programmers use different methods depending on the situation. In this video, I'll show you all of them with easy examples. Let's begin. A list is one of the most commonly used data structures in Python. Let's explore every practical way to create one. Using square brackets. In the line 1, a list variable fruits is created. Square brackets are used to create a list. 3 string values are stored. In the second line, we have displayed the entire list. Let's create a list using list function. List function converts another iterable into a list. Here tuple 10, 20, 30 becomes a list. Let's create an empty list. This line creates an empty list. Next is creating a list using range function. Here range 1,6 generates numbers from 1 to 5. List function converts them into a list. Another method to create a list is list comprehension. Python creates every element automatically. In this, range will generate numbers 1 to 5. X will be assigned each value. A list will get the values from the expression x multiplied by x for each value of x. Another method of creating a list is using string split. The string is divided wherever there is a space, and a list of strings will be created. Next is using iterable object. Each character becomes a separate list element. And using multiplication, a list can be created. This creates 5 copies of the value 0. It is useful when initializing lists. So today we learned 8 different ways to create lists in Python. Don't worry if all of these don't seem useful yet. As you build Python programs, you'll naturally discover when to use each one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll learn how to access list elements using indexing, one of the most important concepts in Python lists. See you in the next one. Happy coding!